Today, we'll be going over how to install an EcoHitch for your 2023 Nissan Ariya. First, unclip and unfasten the hex nuts on the bottom bumper panel. Remove the bottom bumper panel and place it in a secure place. Then, place the plate weldment on the bottom of the frame, inserting the M10 bolts with split lock washers and flat washers into all three holes as shown. For now, you will want to keep them hand tight before repeating the process on the other side. Slide your hitch onto the plates and start to fasten the 5 3/8-inch bolts with the split lock washer and nut to secure the hitch and plates together. It's not shown here, but you will need to trim an access port on the lower portion of your bumper to allow access to the cross tube when you intend to use it. Please follow the measurements laid out in the instruction booklet when doing so. Next, tighten the M10 bolts attached to the frame to the proper foot pounds. Then, tighten the 3/8-inch bolts on the hitch. Lastly, reinstall the factory components on the vehicle in the reverse order and you are finished with the install. When you are ready to use your EcoHitch, simply slide the adapter into the receiver hitch, securing it with a 5/8 inch hardware provided, torquing it to the proper foot-pounds before each use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.